All right, so I repeat, today we will be drawing a Halloween drawing in oil pastels. I'm recording the video because few kids could not join today. So for this drawing, you have to take a distance of 20 from the top, about 5.5 from the side. Now take next 10 centimeters for the width of the pumpkin. About 10 centimeters, we need the size of the pumpkin. So from this dot, you can take another 10 centimeters and draw a curved line from here and from here. From both sides, 20 centimeters from the top, 5.5 from the side, and the second dot is on a distance of 10 from this side. So the distance between these two lines is about 10 centimeters. Okay, now also connect, yeah, so the length of the line is about 7 centimeters. Okay, make it 7 centimeters long. Also connect these two lines with a curved line, for the base of the pumpkin. Make it rounded, curved. Okay, the base also we have to join with a curved line. Yeah, tell me, Dhriti. Yes, you can. You can. Yes, that's right, Tanvi. Correct. Done, everybody, till here. Now, after this, you have to make a dot between these two lines so that we can draw two equal size pumpkins above this. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll first make a dot here between these two lines right in the middle. Now you can draw one pumpkin of about 5 centimeters on the left side and another one, like the frog eyes. It looks like the frog eyes like this. So there should not be any space between the two pumpkins. Make sure that there is no space between the two pumpkins. Draw them in such a way. So for the last two pumpkins, you have to first make a dot between these two lines here. Now you can use the space, about 5 centimeters of the space for this pumpkin and 5 centimeters for the other pumpkin. Okay. Done? Yes. See, both the pumpkins should be almost equal size. Okay, Dhriti? Try making in such a way that there is no difficulty while we draw the eyes, nose, because they will be like cutouts. We have to make two triangles like this. So the size of the triangle that we draw would be about 1 centimeter, at least 1 centimeter. Yeah, that's right, Tanvi. Then make another triangle for the nose between the two triangles. Then we draw the mouth like this, make a curved line, then make like a rectangular base, another rectangular base, curved line, connect this line to this line with a smiley. Okay, that's how you draw the eyes, nose, and the mouth cutout from the pumpkin. Same way for these two pumpkins, same way we have to draw here the triangles and the mouth. Yes, much better. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, that's right, Kritika. Correct. Yes, that's right, Saina. Correct. Now, for the next bigger pumpkin, what we'll do is we'll first make a curved line between both the pumpkins. Then extend this curved line. You can erase a little part from the top of your pumpkins and continue this line like this. Make the curve about 10 centimeters will be the base, like it's on the head of the two small pumpkins. Okay, make the curved line about 10 centimeters. Then draw the side curved lines. How much was here? About 6 or 7. So same way here you have to do about 6 or 7 or maybe 5. Okay, because we need enough space for the cap. Okay, make sure that we have enough space for the hat. Okay, so draw the sides of the curved line in such a way that you have about 8 centimeters of the space at least on the top for the cap. Okay, so little bit it can vary according to your drawing. 8 centimeters, at least 8 centimeters. That's fine. 11 is fine. I hope you have done this enough for the this pumpkin. And after that, it leaves 11, Riti. Show me. Yeah, but don't make it squarish, Pacha. Make it ovalish. Okay? Draw a proper oval like a C, like alphabet C. See, look here. It looks like C. Okay? Yeah, that's right. But you need to cut the heads. Kritika, cut the heads. Because this pumpkin is on the base of the pumpkin heads. You have to cut the heads. Yes, that's right. Darshan, correct. Very good. Kirti, show me your drawing. Let me see. Show me, beta. Yes, absolutely correct, Kritika. Same for you, Betu. Cut the heads, Kriti. Okay, make the curve line complete. Okay, make this line complete. Don't cut this line. You instead we have to cut the heads. Okay, Kirti. Yeah, that's right, Saina. This line you have to show, this pumpkin you have to show full because it is on the base. The base is these two pumpkins. So we have to show this full. Yeah, that's right. Dhriti, correct. Done, everybody? Can we done? Nikhil, you're done. Yes. Arya, I'm not able to see. Yeah, that's right, Tanvi. Oh, yeah, that's right. But you don't have space on the top, but your pumpkin is too big. You can make it slightly. You have 10 centimeter space here. Okay, then it's fine. Then it's fine. Now, everybody, look here. We have to make a hat. How to make the hat? Make a curve line, then make a inner curve line in the center, then again make the curve line. Like this. Make a wavy line. But the wave should be symmetrical. Curve in, curve out in the center, and then again curve in. Okay, give the top of the pumpkins, then join with a curve line. Make a curve line, then draw like U. Connect this line to the pumpkin from here and from here to make the inner part of the hat. This will be the inner part of the hat. Then make two small straight lines within the space of the pumpkin, for the ribbon or for the design of the cap. Okay, make like a thin rectangular shape like this. I'll tell you how much thick it is. So this goes to about 7 centimeters. In the middle of your pumpkin, take the middle space, about 7 centimeters shall be the thickness. Width. Yes, tell me, Tanvi. You have to show me. Let me see. No, it's not looking fine. It should cover the pumpkin head. Make it bigger on the right side. Stretch it on the right side. It's only on the left side. 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters, beta. This part. Yeah, that's absolutely correct now, Tanvi. Correct. Yes, that's right, Darshan. That's right, Saina. Correct. Very good. Kirti done. Arya done. Nikhil done. Let me know, Nikhil, if you're done. Yeah, that's right, Dhriti. Yeah, that's right, Kirti. Correct. That's right, Kritika. Correct. Absolutely correct. Now draw like a belt, like another rectangular shape in the center by just drawing two lines like this on the belt. Now let us draw the cap step by step. Make a slightly slanting line for about 3 centimeters, slightly, okay, slightly inverted line. Then make another slanting line towards the left and top side. This one would be about 3 centimeters again. One, two, two lines for the height. Okay. Now make a long line towards the other side, not very steep like this. Make a long line. Now this would be about 7 centimeters. One, two, three. Three lines. Then make like a V. Make like a V. This line of V you have to take till here. This line of V you have to take till the here. Okay, so that you can make a curved line, slightly curved line, and the hat is done. One, two, long line like a V, and then just make a curved line. Final drawing is here. Now, in this part also, this is also the pumpkin. So here also we'll draw the eyes, nose, and the smiley in the same way, like we have drawn for the other pumpkins. Yes. Now, after this, one more thing we have to draw for the pumpkins is some curved lines, you know, like this, like the texture of the pumpkins. Just draw a few. See this curved line, then a center curved line, then again a side curved line. Same way on the small pumpkins, draw the lines like this. To show its texture, please mute yourself. Take care of your mic. Yes, Tanvi, tell me. I don't think it will be possible to color today because we have more to draw and then we have to outline also, okay? So we'll color it next time in the Wednesday class. Okay? Now draw the base of the pumpkin by drawing a wavy line in this way, like, like some liquid spilled. Draw a wavy line from left side and then from the right side, and then you can connect it in the center. Okay, after this we will be drawing some leaves. Okay, let me show you. So here there are two leaves on both sides of the hat, pumpkin leaves, and then we have two on each side, two here and two here. Let's see how to draw them. So first leaf I'm drawing here. Make like a zigzag, two zigzags like Z. Okay, make like Z, then another Z. Okay, then just one from here. So this will make one leaf. Same way, do it for the other side. Draw one leaf here and one leaf here. And between these two pumpkins, we'll add two leaves. Set of two leaves. We are joining again in 4 minutes. Let me write whatever we have to write also, and then you can complete the drawing. Here I'm writing trick or treat. Okay. And here I'm writing Happy Halloween vertically. You can write according to the space you have or whatever way you want to write. Okay. I'm writing here Happy Halloween. So that's our drawing. You want to leave? Are you done? Can you show me? You don't want to do the outlining? What will happen is next time when you join the class, the outlining won't be there. So please do the outlining, show me, and then you can leave. Yeah. So you did not make the leaves? Yes, yes, absolutely. Yeah, yeah, you can. So Adhanisa has also missed the class last time. She can also draw this and join with you next time. Yeah, that's right, Kirti. Correct. Please outline it. So, anyone you can use. Anyone. Mid yellow, mid yellow, mid yellow you can use. You can actually we will use oil pastels, but only for the eyes part you have to use this yellow marker. Okay, only for the eyes. Oh, you don't have? Then I gave you the option. You can use any yellow color. Okay, you can use your oil pastel also. Use oil pastel. Yeah, I did send. I have sent, Vita. I did send the drawing and the, that's okay, Bacha. You can drop off today then, okay? Join next time. Next week, I won't be taking classes because I'm traveling. Okay, so you can join from the next to next week. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. But I did send. Okay, I will share the screenshot. Right now, my phone is on webcam, so I can't really help. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Now you have to use your black marker to fill the eyes, after doing the left side with the yellow. Now you can use the black marker again to color the cut part of the pumpkin, like the eyes, mouth, okay, like this. Yeah. So I have sent it to your mom, but I can't show my phone right now to you. So what I can do is I can send you the picture again from my other phone. Would that help? Would would that be helpful? Okay, okay, I'll do that. Wait, wait. Wait. Let me send the picture to Adya so that she can join. You can quickly take the printout of this, or you can quickly draw also. It's very easy. You can draw easily. Yeah, tell me, Vita. Tell me. Yeah, that's what I told you to use. Use a Sharpie or a black marker. But a video I can't send because it's in my other phone, which is on webcam. Yeah, yeah, you can. We're not outlining, but yeah, we are filling in the nose, eyes, and mouth. Okay, we're just filling in there the eyes, nose, and mouth. Let me know when you are done. After this, we'll start coloring the pumpkins. For the pumpkins, we need to use orange and mid yellow. Orange color and mid yellow. Take out orange and mid yellow. Now let's see how to do the shading in the pumpkin. Yes, that's right, Priti. Very good. Well done. Now, outline the pumpkin. I'll show you the one pumpkin and we have to do all the pumpkins in the same way. So use this orange color and outline the pumpkin with the orange color like this. Don't leave any space on the sides. Okay, color it nicely with the orange color. Under the heart, all around the outline like this. Okay, first apply orange color. It's orange color. Repeat. Then pay attention, everybody. First see and then do it. Make the strokes from the bottom like this. You know, like the hatching strokes from the bottom. First see and then you can choose your colors and start doing. Okay. Just look in here, everybody. Tanvi, look here. Please keep your camera on. From the upper side also, like this. See, strokes from the top and from the bottom, like we do in pencil shading also. Then you can use the yellow color. This is mid yellow I'm using. For the remaining part between the eyes, carefully apply the color. You can overlap this yellow and the orange while coloring, okay? This will help you in blending with your finger. When you're blending the color, it will mix easily. You know, yellow and orange are complementary to each other. They just blend so beautifully, you know, when you try to blend them. Now, what we need to do, we'll move our finger in the same direction as you have colored and blend orange and yellow color. Rub your finger, Nikhil. I think this is your first oil pastel with me. Did you do it any other? That's surfing one. Okay. So for the oil pastels, I normally use my finger to blend. You can use earbud also. This is a cotton bud. You can use this as well. Move it in the same direction as I'm moving my finger. So can you see that shading effect, that bright glow look, like as if it's made up of light? Okay. Same effect we have to do for the other pumpkins. Got it? Any difficulty? Okay. Adya, I hope you were able to draw. I hope you were able to draw. Yeah. Your what? Yeah. What happened? Okay. So what happens is maybe your color is not. You have not applied. Apply it nicely. Okay. A good amount of color. You can use vermilion. Yes, Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi. You want to say something? You have raised your hand. You want to say something? Yes. Yes, I'm using vermilion. Yeah, you can use either orange or you can use vermilion. in the hat. Okay, try to erase that. You can use your eraser. That's okay. The hat will be in black color, so you will be able to cover it up. Okay, not to worry. Now, overlap. After applying the orange color, apply yellow color on the remaining space as well as on the shaded part of the orange. That's most important when you're coloring, that you have to color, okay? Only then it will blend nicely. Okay? Make sure that you're applying yellow on the orange also. Is it coming out nice? Have you tried? Anyone? Okay. Yeah, that's absolutely correct. Well done. Yes, Tanvi, you want to say something again? Oh, so did you use a color? Why? I told to use a marker. Y- See, there is one rule I want everybody to listen carefully. Whenever you are doing oil pastels, you have to use the black color in the end. I think I've mentioned it many times. Black is a very dangerous color. Why we did black here? Because we were using a marker and not the color. Okay. Why did we use the marker? Because we did not want it to smudge. Okay, that's why we use a marker, not a color. Please don't use the color. Use a marker for the black. And if you don't have a marker, you want to use a color, then you have to do it in the end. Okay? So that's our four pumpkins. It's all done. Let me know when you finish doing the pumpkins. We'll start with the leaves. Okay, quickly complete it. Keep cleaning your hand when you use your finger for the shading. Just clean it with a rough cloth. Okay. Now we will apply green color for the leaves. I'm using sap green and lemon yellow. Sap green and lemon yellow. Apply the green color along the center line. Move it towards both sides of your leaf like this. Okay, apply it in the center and on the sides, on both sides, better wait. On both sides, apply yellow color. Apply the yellow on the green also. And now use earbud. I'll ask you your query. Wait, let me finish. Now you have to use this earbud. Why earbud we are using now? Because we don't want the color to spread. So that's why we'll use earbud. Blend lemon yellow and sap green like this in the direction of the zigzag to blend. Okay, like this. Yes, tell me, Nikhil, what's your query? Okay, so here again we will apply green color in the center like this. For all the leaves, we have to repeat the same technique. Yes, that's right. Repeat, correct. Now we'll color on the sides. Remember, wait better. Let me finish, then you can ask your question. When you're applying the yellow color, Bitu, you have to apply it on the green also. Okay, don't forget to apply on the green. It will help you in shading and blending better. Yes, tell me, Kriti. Yes, sap green and lemon yellow. Sap green, you can use any green if you don't have sap green. You can use any dark green and lemon yellow. Yeah, lemon yellow, lemon yellow. Now we color on the other side also. You have to use orange and mid yellow. Use orange and mid yellow. Use orange and mid yellow for this design, this belt also on the cap. Outline with the orange and then use yellow color to blend for the belt here. Now for this part, this is the mud part. We use this brown color, burnt sienna, light brown, and yellow ochre. Apply the brown color around the pumpkin base like this. And here, see, whenever you're doing oil pastels, just learn one thing that there's one dark color and one light color. Okay. So the dark color here is brown and the light color here is, and the light color is called the blender color, which you have to overlap on the dark color. Okay. See, always look at the way of applying the color, how much and where you have to apply. The technique you already know, okay? The technique you already know that you have to overlap. And then we have to blend this brown and yellow ochre like this. Rub your finger around. One is dark, one is light. Orange is the dark shade here in the pumpkin, yellow is the light. Dark green, sap green is the dark color, and lemon is the blender color. Yes, Preeti, tell me. For brown and yellow ochre. Now you have to carefully observe this hat. Okay, look here. So first what we'll do is we'll outline the hat. Okay, apply the color only on the left side. Okay, for the shading effect, apply it only on the left side, on the inner sides of the inner part. Okay, and then for the outer part, you have to apply gray and white colors. Yes, that's right. You have one more leaf here, Griti, color that as well. Yes, that's right, Kritika. That's right, Darshan. Correct. So I'm going to outline the cap with the black color first. Carefully, brown and yellow ochre. Now fill on the left side with the slanting strokes. I want you to see here how and where I've applied black color and how much. Then apply gray color along the black. Apply some gray color. Overlap the gray on the black. And now use white color for the remaining space. Use white color. Very little, not much. Just on few highlighted parts. And now you can use your finger or you can use the earbud. I'm going to use finger carefully and then the finishing I'll do with the earbud. So now I'm going to use the ear part because I don't want the black color to spoil the drawing. Where there is narrow part, you have to use ear bud. So we are almost on the last part now. If you have to leave, you can. I'll just explain how you have to do, Arya. We'll use blue, dark blue, and light blue for the background. Around the pumpkins, we have to outline with dark blue. Around the outer side, you have to use light blue and white. Okay, and then just blend. Let me explain you with the help of this drawing, like we did this earlier. So we have to apply dark blue all around the objects that we have colored and drawn, like this. Okay, then extend with the, like we did this black, gray, and white. Same way you have to do blue, light blue, and white. Okay, and for the base, I've used green and yellow. Okay, for the base around the mud. We'll start doing it. First, clean your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. Now I'm using Persian blue. Persian blue is a dark shade of blue. Let's start applying around the pumpkins. Yeah. No, it won't, bacha. Actually, for this drawing, for this drawing, it's important to do the background. But yeah, if you don't want to do, that's fine. Even that's fine. But I would, recommend you to try. Okay, you can do it later, maybe whenever you have time, because you're in a hurry right now. So not to do right now. Maybe later you can try doing it. Okay, just do it with some patience. It won't get spoiled. As you can already make out, see, this is without background and this is with background. So you can definitely see that it changes the whole look of your drawing when you do the background. It makes it appear really bright and so it's important to do the background. Now, here the patience is the key, okay? Do not hurry. You have to do it very nicely, slowly, with lot of concentration. I don't want you to spoil your drawing here at this point. I will also be doing it slowly. We have enough time. We have 20 minutes. So 20 minutes are enough to complete the background. Yeah, that's right. That's right, Kirti. Yes, Kirti. Kriti, I can't see. Yes, right. That's right. So don't forget to color between the spaces of the pumpkin and the leaves. Okay, when you're coloring the background, don't leave that part. Just concentrate well and apply it all around the objects. It's very easy, you know. You just have to be little patient. Okay, just be little patient while coloring, not too hurry. Do it slowly and nicely. Persian blue. It's Persian blue. So it's all done around the pumpkins. Now I'm going to use the lighter shade of blue. This one, Persian blue. It's Persian blue. So like we did gray in the hat, now we have to do light blue. Extend your dark blue with light blue. Yes, tell me. Lighter shade is light blue, sky blue, light blue. It's D239. D239. No, lighter shade. Kriti, use a lighter shade. No, that's dark. Use the lighter shade. You're showing this for dark blue or light blue? Yes, for dark blue it's fine. Now use white color for the extreme right side and the extreme left side and the upper corners. Move your color in slanting line when you are coloring. Make slanting strokes like this. And now we'll use the earbud around. Yes, that's right. Now I'm going to use the earbud again. Okay, and we'll start blending. First, we use the blue, it on blue color. So what happens when we use this earbud? Although you can see there's some white space between the colors, okay? It's all the white space is gone, leaving beautiful effect of the color, okay? So keep moving the earbud all around like this. Light blue. It's light blue. The other one, slightly darker one. Yeah, the one which is slightly darker, you can use that. Yeah, but first you have to move your earbud, your this cotton bud around the blue color. Okay, first you have to just move it around the drawing in the blue color. Let's do it step by step. Okay, first step is for the blending, you have to just blend the blue color. Okay, only blend the blue color. Now, you can either use your finger because we've already colored inside. We don't have to move our finger near the pumpkins, okay? It may get spoiled. So that's why we are using it only around now, this time. Rub your finger in the dark blue, light blue, and white for the effect, for the shading effect, like this. Hold it with your left hand and then rub your finger between the shades of blue and white. So we don't have to go close to the already colored parts, okay? You just have to stay between the blue and white, okay? Do not, go to the towards the colored part of, the pumpkin or the leaf. Just keep your finger in the blues, in the shades of blue only, okay? Because we've already shaded in the inside part, okay? Like this. So this is the effect that you will get when you do it, when you follow the same steps I've given you. If you see any white space, you can just rub your earbud to get away with that. And lastly, we'll use dark green and lemon yellow around the mud area. Use some dark green and lemon yellow around the mud area here. And then our drawing will be complete. Yeah, okay. And we are done. Okay, bye bye. Okay, so that completes our Halloween drawing with oil pastels.